What's taking you so long to find me? Oh, so. I want it, want it, want it, want it, want it, want it, want it. I would like a ring, I would like a ring, I would like a diamond ring. On my finger. I would like a ring, I would like a ring, I would like a diamond ring. On my finger.
Quezon City's annual commitment ceremony, authored by Mayor Joy Belmonte, is a powerful and inspiring testament to inclusive, compassionate, and visionary leadership.
When you were a young boy, you were scared of growing up.
A government program that is not only right and decent, but profoundly humane, empowering, and life-affirming for the LGBTQIA+ community
Felt like
and
you had a
beyond.
choice, but it was out of your control. You needed to be safe, you were going crazy on your own. It took you years to tell your mother you expected.
Sa ating mga couples, naway magsilbi po kayong liwanag sa mga panahong madilim. Naway magsilbi kayong patunay na ang pag-ibig ay laging mas makapangyarihan kesa sa takot.
Love you know now.
Thank you po, Mayor Joy Belmonte. Sa binigay niyo po opportunity na may kasal po kami. God bless. Thank you po.
Thank you, Mayor Joy Belmonte. Thank you po sa opportunity. And God bless po. Thank you po ulit.
Maraming salamat sa tapang. Maraming salamat sa tiyaga. Till death do us part, mag-aakbayan tayo kasi deserve nating mahalin at deserve nating magmahal. Mabuhay po kayo and happy Valentine's Day.
Got a little
Hi ma'am, thank you for this opportunity. Mayor Joy Belmonte na nakasal kami today. Is siyempre sa opportunity nito. So, thank you sa lahat sa binigay sa amin na matupad yung pangarap namin makasal. Aming wishes for this day.
you wish you never said a thing.
Mayor Joy, grabe ka. Mula po sa puso ng kagaywad na ito ng District 1 of Barangay Bungod, Quezon City. Maraming salamat for letting us experience this wonderful opportunity, itong Commitment Ceremony 2026. Kaya naman, we love you, Mother Mayor Joy Belmonte. We love you.
I said I love you now.
We will always celebrate your love here in Quezon City. Hindi lang ngayong Valentine's Day, kundi sa araw-araw. Habang patuloy ang mas malalaking laban para sa pantay na mga karapatan, makakaasa kayo na ang Lungsod Quezon ang inyong kanlungan.